Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can obtain the Hodges-Lehmann estimate of a one sample scenario using Excel and my stikpetE add-in. My add-in is available at my GitHub account. You need to look for the stikpetE.xlam. Download that file, then open Excel, go for File, Options, Add-ins and click on Go. And then browse to the downloaded file, and that should give you access to a lot of additional functions. The Hodges-Lehmann estimate is the median of the Walsh averages, and Walsh averages is taking every possible pair of scores, and from each pair take the average, and then the Hodges-Lehmann estimate is the median of those. I have some example data in column A. It used these 5 different scales or options. And the function of interest is MA, short for measures, Hodges-Lehmann, and OS, short for one sample. It must have data as input. If it's numerical, it should be fine already, but otherwise you might also want to specify the level so it knows which order they should be in. I can just specify the data, the function first of course, then the data. I'm using a semicolon, but that's my system settings. Your version of Excel might be using a comma to separate parameters. And in this case, I also gave it the 5 categories in order. Note that the range should not be an entire column, but really a specified range. And similarly for the levels, it should be listed vertically. So in this case, the Hodges-Lehmann estimate is about 2.5, and if I wanted to, I could say, well, that's between disagree and neutral. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.